Hi everyone and welcome back to our German A1 level course. In today's lesson we are starting our series on German cases and we will begin with the nominative case. I'll give you a quick overview of what cases are and why they matter, and then we will focus on the nominative. We will look at personal pronouns, the gender of the nouns, possessive pronouns, and the verbs that use the nominative case. And of course, we will practice the clear example sentences to help everything make sense. Let's get started with die Fälle im Deutschen Nominativ or the cases in the German language nominative case. What we will learn in these lessons: what are cases, what is the nominative, personal pronouns in the case nominative, gender of the nouns in nominative, possessive pronouns in nominative, verbs that uses nominative, and of course sentences with nominative. We are starting with what are cases. The German language contains four cases. Nominative is the first case. It is the doer of the action in the sentence, or the subject is the one who performs the activity, someone or something. Nominative answers the question words wer, or in English who, and was, or in English what. The accusative is the fourth case. It's the direct object in the sentence. Is the one the action is being done to someone or to something, for example. The accusative case answers the question words when or whom, and was or what. Dative or third case is the indirect object of the sentence, and the dative is the one indirectly connected to the activity. Answers the question word wem or to whom. And the last, genitive or second case, is used to express possession in speech within the sentence. For genitive, we will learn in the B1 level. Let's see some examples. The nominative, the one who performs the activity. Question words wer und was. Accusative, the one on whom the activity is performed, with question words wenn und was. And the dative, the one indirectly connected with the activity, question word wem. Nominative, sentence wer ist das? Who is that? For example, you can answer das ist Tim. What is Tim? That is Tim. Accusative question was hat Tim? What does Tim have? Answer Tim hat ein Geschenk. Tim has a gift. Wem gibt Tim Geschenk? In dative. To whom does Tim give a gift? Tim gibt Thomas ein Geschenk. Tim gives Thomas a gift. What is the nominative case? What is the nominative? The nominative is the first case in the German language. It is the easiest case to learn. It marks the doer of the action in the sentence, or the subject. When is the nominative used? In sentences that have a verb and only one doer of the action, or one subject. The doer of the action can be a person or an object. For example, sentence in the nominative case, Paul wohnt in London. Paul lives in London. The Paul is the doer of the action. Das ist ein Bus. That is a bus. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.